easy, Yumiko.
Okay. Harvest time.
Focus dito.
You know? Oh, kita yan.
Wow. We'll pull this one.
Go.
I'm so excited. Baka lang yung sound. Sabi nila, give it a push. May hirap pala. Hirap pala. Oh.
Wow!
Wow!
Laki ah.
Wow, look at that.
Tanggalin mo.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at that.
Yan.
Malaki siya. Ayan. Look at that. Puti na harvest ko na siya kasi tingnan nyo, nagkakaroon na siya ng mga roots sa gilid-gilid. So, mga overdue na talaga siya. Magiging woody na. That's what they call it. Yee!
Explore what the country has to offer. April.